Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, Facebook connections, comrades, and colleagues, also other social media platforms. This video is about Libya. I have just participated in the uh, uh, Libya business in Libya uh, webinar by NCU SLR. Libya has just faced a civil war. People are wondering how to invest in that country. Uh, there is a feeling of hopelessness among the investors. There is corruption, but disarmament is not on the agenda. Um, uh, the investors are feeling that uh, the return on investment is not that good. There are several apprehensions by the investors in the market. So this is about Libya. Let us hope things will improve in Libya soon. Thank you.